In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use and install Hootsuite. First, let us get you logged in, because Hootsuite is a web-based platform. Open your browser and go to hootsuite.com. Wait for the site to load fully, and then look for the option to sign in. Once the Hootsuite page is open, log in. Use the normal sign-in method that you are setting up for the account you want to use. After you enter your details and complete the sign-in process, you should reach your Hootsuite dashboard or main workspace. If you do not see the dashboard right away, give it a moment to refresh, since accounts can take a few seconds to load. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to connect your social accounts. This is what lets Hootsuite manage posting and scheduling from one place. In the interface, find the Create button, which is typically located at the top left of the screen. Look closely for a small pencil icon next to it, because that is usually the control you click to start adding something new. Click Create with the pencil icon. After you click it, a menu or panel should appear. This is where you will tell Hootsuite what profiles you want to work with. Take a moment to scan the options that appear, and look for the choice that says Add Social Account. It may also be shown as a prompt near the Create action, depending on your layout. Next, click Add Social Account to link a profile. This step matters because Hootsuite needs access to the platforms you want to manage, such as social networks you use for posting. When you select this option, Hootsuite will guide you through the connection process. You may be asked to choose which platform you want to add, and then confirm permissions inside that platform's sign-in area. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. The goal here is to successfully link your profile so Hootsuite can show it in your workspace. After the connection finishes, you should see the linked account appear in your Hootsuite area. If the platform asks for permissions, make sure you review them carefully and approve only what is necessary for posting and scheduling. With your social account linked, you are ready to write your content. Now move to the area where you can draft a post. This is usually part of the same Create flow, or it appears as a composer on your dashboard. Look for a text box where you can type your message. Draft your post using the tone and details you want to publish. Take your time here, because the text you enter will be the content that is either scheduled or published. When your draft looks correct, you will see options for when to publish it. This is the part where you decide whether the post goes out immediately or later. If you want the post to go live at a planned time, click Schedule for later. Make sure you choose the date and time shown in the scheduler, and verify the time zone if it is displayed. Scheduling helps you stay consistent and publish when your audience is most active. On the other hand, if you want it to publish right now, click Post Now. This will send your draft to the connected social account for immediate publication. Before you finalize, quickly review the post one more time to confirm the text and any formatting are what you expect. After you schedule or post, wait for confirmation that the action completed. You may see a success message, or the post may appear in your drafts or scheduled items list. That is a good sign that everything worked as intended, and that covers everything you need to know. You logged in, started the Create flow, linked your social profile, drafted your post, and then either scheduled it or posted it right away, and that is all there is to it.